They hate the way you walk. They hate the way you talk. They hate the way you stand up and the way you stand out. They just want to take you out. And they hate that they couldn't if they tried. They hate that you score all the goals and all the girls. They hate it when you win. The way you celebrate, when you lift that trophy, kiss your finger. They hate the way everyone's talking about you, that you've got the magic touch, that you're the best player on the street, the team, the pitch, the league, the country, the world. And they hate your shiny new boots. They hate your boots because they wish they were in them.